Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Otanu Betal and you are watching ASEN Education and Skills channel. In this video we discuss about the topic that start a career on YouTube. Okay, start a career on YouTube as a YouTuber. So this is our discussing topic. We discuss about this topic that why you need to start your career in YouTube. On YouTube you can start your career because of some important reasons that I want to share with you, the important reasons why you can start your career on YouTube. What are the advantages, all the points that I want to discuss in this video, that I want to share with you. Means the discussing means all the reasons that I found that I find that for these reasons one can start his or her career on YouTube. So I'm finding some reasons for joining and for making a career on YouTube. So let's start our discussions. In this video we discuss fully why you need to start your career on YouTube and why YouTube is a good platform to start your career. Before starting the discussions, I like to say that for the new viewers, if you are new to this channel, then you can subscribe this channel, and if you are already means watching my videos, other videos, then you can subscribe this channel also. If you do not subscribe this channel, then subscribe this channel right now. Let's start our discussion. It is about YouTube career. YouTube you can create content. YouTube is a website which shares videos and is the largest platform, means platform, and a worldwide website where the video sharing is means a large number of videos are shared in every day and in every time. Okay, so YouTube is a platform where a very large number of videos are available to watch, and it's the platform where means every day it is available, whether it is Sunday or Saturday, doesn't matter whether the time is at night 1 a.m. or 3 a.m. doesn't matter, it is available 24 hours. So we can think about some reason that why one can start his or her career on YouTube. The first reason is for starting career in any company or any other fields, you need degrees, diplomas, certificates, etc. But to join and to work on YouTube, you do not need any degrees, any certificate, any diplomas. This is one of the very important point to join in YouTube, that you do not need any degree, any diploma or any certificate. Next point is no expenditure. For starting your means business or other any professionals, you need to invest some amount of money for starting. At the starting time you need to invest some amount of money, but here in YouTube case, you do not need to invest any money. You can start your career with very little investment and no expenses of money, and with no expenses of money you need no experience. The second point, this one, no experience. you do not need any experience, because you know YouTube, in YouTube, YouTube does not verify it that you are experienced person or you are fresher. Okay, but if you want to get job, that time you require some experience of 5 years, 10 years. But in YouTube, YouTube do not demand any experience. Okay, YouTube does not demand any experience for starting your career on YouTube, or opening your channel, one channel, on operating your one channel. You do not need any experience, because YouTube does not demand any experience from you. Okay, so as YouTube does not demand any experience from you, so this is an advantage. If you if you go to work any other companies, there you must need to show your experience. But here no experience is required for joining in joining on YouTube. Next important thing, easy to join. You do not need to take any means any hurdles to join you on YouTube. The joining is very easy, no selection process. Generally what happens for the joining in a job, joining in a job or job position, you need to at first give your interview, and after completing interview, you are under the selecting process. Means you have to wait for the selection process, that out of the total number of means candidate, you will be selected or not. Means there, in case of job applications, you have a selection process. You have to follow a selection process there, because all the candidates that are participated in job interview will not be getting the job. So for that reason, in that time, you have to follow the selection procedure for getting a job in a company or any organization. But YouTube does not have any selection process. It is allowing you to join and to work as a YouTuber. Okay, next is share your experience. This is very important point. If you think that you have a very good experience in any subject or any field, in any subject or any field, in science, technology, whatever, entertainment, any field, or story writing, etc., YouTube is the big platform, because you with your extraordinary skill, or some simple skill in some skills in respective fields or any field, you can share your experience to the other people, to by creating a video. By creating a video very easily, you can share your experience, your expertise to all the other peoples very easily. And in this way you also can earn money. Okay, by sharing your opinion and your experience, your expertise to the other people by video sharing method, you can earn money also. And no age requirement here. One very important thing is, you are eligible at any age to work as a YouTuber, or on YouTube you can work at any age. It does not demand a particular age, that you need to be 18 years above, or you need to be 25 years above. There is no age requirement. Age criteria is not present here. So for this reason, you can start working as a YouTuber at any age. Next time is no fixed time. Okay, YouTube does not set any criteria that you have to work at least 7 hours in a day, or at least 10 days in a month. There is no such fixed time requirement. According to YouTube, you do not have any fixed time. You do not give to any fixed time for making video. YouTube does not have any such criteria. Then the important point is, have a great reward. Okay, after creating a channel, if you grow your channel, and then after growing your content, means if your content is very good, your content, people like your content, that time your channel will grow, and ultimately after growing your channel you can earn reward, means earn money from YouTube. Okay, YouTube gives you the opportunity to earn money after growing your channel. YouTube has a means criteria for getting the reward, and YouTube set a general criteria of 1000 subscriber and 400 hour 4000 hour 4000 hour watch time. If you complete 4000 hour watch time and 1000 subscriber, after that you are getting eligible, you are eligible for earning from YouTube. And any time available, you already discussed that YouTube is available at any time, Sunday, Monday, or Sunday, Monday night 1 a.m. Night 2 a.m. it doesn't matter. So these are the most important points that why we need to start, or you need to start your career on YouTube, because YouTube is now a very big platform for sharing your opinion through the video to the rest of the world. Because we are either teacher or the students, so we means we are saying about all that we are either student or teachers. So if you have more knowledge than other, or in any expertise, then you can start your career on YouTube. And it is a means it has a great reward. If you grow in this platform, then you can have a very good reward. So for this reason, this is the topic, the start a career on YouTube, and we are discussing about this topic, that why you need to start a career on this topic. The main two reason is here: no degree, diploma and certificate required, no experience required. You can start with a zero experience levels, as a fresh level, no expenses of money. I already discussed about this point, so I'm not repeating it right now. You understand this topic, that why the YouTube is a very important platform, and why you what are the reasons for joining here and work as a YouTuber. So you understood, you already understand this topic, and this is the topic that I want to discuss, and it's I discussed it clearly. I think clearly I discussed this topic. If you have any opinion, any suggestion about this topic, that or any question about this topic, then you can ask me in the comment sections. And for watching this video, I like to give you a thank you for watching this video. And yeah, if you like to subscribe this channel, then why are you waiting for? Subscribe it right now.